Hello friends, I am fine and I hope that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is Turkish Emperor Osman Gazi. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon, and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friend. Friends, Osman was descended from the Kai branch of the August Turkmen. His father Ertugrul has established a principality centered at Sogut, with Sogut as their base. Osman and the Muslim frontier warriors Ghazis under his command waged a slow and stubborn conflict against the Byzantine, who sought to defend their territories in the hinterland of the Asiatic shore opposite Constantinople, now Istanbul. Friends, Osman gradually extended his control over several former Byzantine fortresses including Yenişehir, which provided the Ottomans with a strong base to lay, which seek to Bursa and Nasya, now Iznik in western Anatolia. Osman was succeeded by his son Orhan, who captured Bursa on April 6, 1326. Ottoman tradition holds that Osman died just after the capture of Bursa, but some scholars have argued that his death should be placed in 1324, the year of Orhan's assassination. Friends, so many states' policy practice or advocacy of the extending power and dominion, especially by direct traditional acquisition or by gaining political and economic control of the other areas. Osman, because it always involved the use of power when he ever military or economic or some subtler force. So dear friends, how you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So friend, bye. We will meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.